stay flying thing. Everybody on the outside. It's our confidence. It's our confidence.
What is up, you guys? I look like a hole and half of a bone, but I had to make or start making this video because somebody rang my doorbell. And usually because my driveway is so long, usually when the mail people ring the doorbell, it's like they're dropping off a package that they don't want to leave at my mailbox. Kind enough to USPS. I appreciate you guys, because UPS, they will leave like my big packages at my mailbox, and like I said, my driveway is long, so anybody could walk by my mailbox and steal my package and I wouldn't know because of UPS. But USPS, they ensure that I get my packages. And I wasn't expecting this to come today because, you know, I woke up this morning and I was like, I look like a hole and a half bum. I really need to do my hair, and I've been waiting to get this so I could do my hair. And then I'm also waiting to hear back from an interview that I'm supposed to be doing. But y'all, I got a Q-Redew for Black Friday. I actually came across it on Instagram. I had been looking at it for a while, but I didn't know they were gonna have a Black Friday sale. So on Instagram, Black Friday, I saw that it had $20 off of it, because, you know, I just couldn't come up out my pockets with $78. It wasn't sitting well with my spirit, sis. So when I saw that it was $20 off, and apparently I guess they're not gonna have as good of a deal as they did for Black Friday, just because like their Cyber Monday sale, I think, was $15 off, and then now it's like $10 off. So I'm glad I caught it when I did. It was almost midnight when the sale was almost over when I got the $20 off. So I'm like so excited. Can't you tell? Like, I'm so excited. So we're going to unbox this together. I'm a little ratchet, y'all, so I'm not gonna use no scissors. I don't even know where my scissors are. I'm so excited. Like, I had been looking at my email. I was getting ready to email these people because I'm like, listen, I ordered on November 29th and I haven't gotten an email from you guys saying that my order has been shipped, because I also ordered some other stuff, like some clothes and stuff, but they told me that they wouldn't start shipping until December 6th. I still, like, my package hasn't been updated with the shipping information, so I'm just like, I want all of my stuff that I ordered for Black Friday, because y'all taking too long. But I'm so excited, sis. So what comes in the box? In the box is this little card. There we go. And it says, "Dear curly friend, welcome to the QREDEW community. Enjoy and embrace your wonderful natural texture. We at QREDEW Products greatly appreciate your business and are thrilled to provide you with this unique and original styling solution. Please share, contact, and review on our page." That's cute. And then you get your user guide. I'm probably gonna read this just because a lot of people, I don't know. It has a warranty on it, which is really good. So yeah. So I don't know what this is. So there's like this little bottle pump kind of thing. It has instructions on the inside of it. In the past, I've just seen a lot of people pour water into their reservoir. I haven't seen anybody use this. So let's see what this says. Important maintenance instructions. So this is a priming and flushing kit. It says occasionally the QREDEW will heat and pump The QREDEW will heat and the pump will run, but no steam is produced. There's a simple solution. QREDEW relies on a pump to move water from the reservoir into the unit. When the pump is dry, it cannot pull the water. Simple solution, the pump needs to be primed. This is the nature of the type of this pump, and in no way means the unit is defective. The same process can be used to flush a unit of mineral deposits and debris from the water that may occasionally block the flow of steam. So I did see a few reviews in the past where people said that steam wasn't coming out anymore and they just didn't know what to do. It does tell you to use like distilled water and not tap water, so I might have to invest in that, because I mean $50 is still a little bit steep, but it's better than $78. So I'm sure a lot of you have seen what a QREDEW is. If you haven't, this is the unit. This is the reservoir here where you can take it out and put water in it, and then it comes with this long cord. This is the button that you press for the steam to come out. And y'all, I have nails, so it wasn't that hard to take out, but I have nails, so it's usually hard for me to take like stuff out. So then it has a serial number on the inside, and then this is the reservoir. This is a little foot tab that you insert the water into, and then you just pour the water into this little hole. So I'm excited. I can probably later today I will do my hair, just because it's been quite some time since I've done my hair. It's been quite some time. Like, I've had this straight style for a while, and I really woke up this morning and was like, I really want to do my hair. Like, I'm missing my curls. So glad that this came today. Super glad it came today. I will probably do my hair later. Might make a review video just to see how it works the first time. I know it's going to take a little bit longer than the first time working on my hair to kind of like get a feel of how my hair will take with the conditioner that I use and the steam. But I've been looking at getting a steamer for a very long time, just because I don't feel that sitting under the dryer is effective for my hair when I deep condition, because I have a lot of hair. It's really thick, and when I put deep conditioner on it and I sit under the dryer, it really only attacks the surface, like what my dryer is touching, the perimeter of my hair. It never really gets to the middle. Sometimes like the middle of my head will get warm, but for me it's just not enough. So like I said, been looking into getting a steamer. Got it for $58, which I feel like is an absolute steal. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I'll probably do another video really soon. Just wanted to come and give you guys something, because I know kind of losing subscribers just because I haven't been posting on my natural hair channel a lot. I'm usually on my other channel where I talk about like my college journey and trying to become a physician assistant. You guys know the spiel if you've been following me for a little bit. So probably gonna post this video today. Probably gonna do my hair later and post that video a little bit later. Don't quote me on that, because I've been known, it's sad to say, but I've been known to lie to my subscribers. It's sad, but I really do want to get back into YouTube. This past month, or this year, has just been really busy for me. Been taking classes, working, and just trying to build my bank up, doing sorority stuff. It was just a lot going on this year, but I really do want to dedicate next year into working, trying to get to physician assistant school, and no more ashy lips. Why y'all ain't tell me my lips was ashy this whole video, man? y'all ain't real. Y'all ain't real. YouTube. So just a little bit of an update on my life, why I haven't been posting. And yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here, post it, probably do my hair sometime this week, and give you guys my straight up honest review about this Q-Redew. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me, the 99 or 98 subscribers that I do have. I love each and every single one of you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you use the Q-Redew and how it's helped your deep conditioning. How do you feel like constantly using it when you deep condition your hair has helped, opposed to sitting on the dryer? I want to know, what do you guys think? So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Natural potions in your bedroom for that glow. She, apple on my eye, I swear you know. Eve, you're your own queen, everything my soul needs. Yeah, coconut oil for your tea.